Are you experiencing any weight loss or any cough which is not going or a blood in your spit? Be careful. It can be a sign of lung cancer, particularly if you are a smoker. So any cough which is lasting for more than 2 to 3 weeks associated with weight loss, you are a smoker and falling into high risk category, please do evaluate for presence of lung cancer. There are various screening tools for evaluation of lung cancer. We have a low density CT scan that can detect early lung cancer. But please don't ignore all the symptoms, particularly if you are a smoker and if you have a strong history of cancer in your family.